make continual improvement part of your routine with Continual Improvement Management. Continual improvement demands both high levels of visibility into your people and processes, but also the means to quickly and cost-effectively analyze the data to identify and implement appropriate improvements. Continual Improvement Management, or CIM, capabilities are now directly integrated with the Process Optimization application. Together, Process Optimization and Continual Improvement vastly simplify and streamline your ability to identify process issues and bottlenecks and quickly take appropriate remedial action. Continual Improvement Management is one of multiple points of entry into optimizing a process. Use of Process Optimization and Continual Improvement Management is not limited to one particular stage of the process, but should be applied throughout an entire life cycle. Process optimization is a fast, accurate way to repeat process analysis, find new improvements, and monitor change in progress. At the identity stage, you can proactively assess as-is processes using process optimization to find improvement opportunities. At the plan and execute stage, use process optimization to find root causes and uncover new tasks or missing steps. At the measure stage, it provides opportunities for process monitoring on the latest operational data. In the final stage, you can reanalyze the process and show measurable achieved outcomes before and after the process is complete. There is a two-way integration for CIM and process optimization, which is available through the Continual Improvement Workbench or Process Optimization Workspace. For users accessing this integration from the CIM Workbench, drilling into the improvement initiative, for example, Incident Process Improvement Improve CSAT Score, will directly link you to the Process Optimization Workspace. This related link is available after enabling the Process Optimization plugin. The Process Optimization Workspace allows analysts to see how their incident process is currently working. Drilling into one of their process models allows you to see further details. Each model will display a process graph extracted from the process audit logs. You can review the entire process or use slider bars to reduce the noise and see specific paths the closed incidents took. The process mapping is a core capability of process optimization, showing how your process works end-to-end. Analysts get a full picture of the process, including details around state transitions, duration, and quantity of incidents that took a specific path. All of this information is represented by direction of arrows, thickness of paths, and nodes. Users can apply various metrics which filter the map to help you gather information on a particular improvement initiative. For instance, if you want to improve customer satisfaction, you can look at the average duration to see how many incidents took longer than expected to resolve. If you identify multiple such incidents, then you have used your increased data visibility to identify an improvement opportunity that can raise your CSAT scores, providing a direct benefit to both your customers and your organization. In this case, analysts will look into average duration. Diving into a specific metric, we can see that the average length of time from resolution to closure is 5 days. This lets you identify areas for improvement with unprecedented accuracy, ensuring that any remedies precisely target the issue. The functionality on the left allows you to view information related to predefined breakdowns. For example, contact type shows how many incidents came in by alert, virtual agent, chat, email, mobile app, and phone. Additionally, analysts can view the number of routes each record within that contact type took and its average duration. Users can link an existing continual improvement initiative or create a new improvement initiative on the fly, all within the Process Optimization Workspace. The integration of continual improvement management with the Process Optimization Workspace lets organizations make continual improvement as routine is clocking in. With this integration, organizations have the power to consistently optimize processes, increase efficiency, and as a result, improve customer service and satisfaction.